Have you ever wondered how to send automatic replies in Outlook? Have you wondered how to set these up? You're not familiar with Outlook? Well, I'm going to show you how to do this in this video. But before I do continue, please do like, subscribe and share. So I've got Outlook here. It's the web version on Outlook. This very similar approach works in the app version of Microsoft Outlook. When you're in Outlook, in the web version, top right hand corner, if you click on the settings, the cog, it will open up this pop-up box here. Now within this pop-up box, there's lots of different options that you can choose. You can choose the layout of your emails, so on and so forth. You can, change the attachments. Rules is another option you can do. I'm going to go to accounts, and within accounts I'm going to choose automatic replies, because this is where you're setting or enabling or disabling your automatic replies. So for example, let's say I'm on holiday, I want to turn on automatic replies. I'm just going to slide this toggle here, and within here what I'm going to do is explain that my automatic replies is on. I'm away on annual leave. Any issues or queries, please contact this person. Kind regards, RA Solutions. So that will be sent to whoever sends me an email. This is the response they will get. Now if somebody from outside the organization emails me, I can send a specific response to them. So I'll select that. I'm going to copy this actually, because I want them to have the same response. There you go. So I'm on annual leave, so the people outside my organization will get the same response to the people within my organization as well. But there's one option I haven't shown you in this video, and that is this one here, this checkbox, send replies only during a time period. So I can set, if I enable this, I can set the start date time, the end date time of when those automatic replies get sent. Okay, so I can block up my calendar for this period. I can automatically decline new invitations for events that occur during this period, so during whatever I've selected as my start and end time, and I can decline and cancel my meetings during this period as well. So please do have a look at that as part and parcel of those automatic replies. Really useful, especially if you're going away on annual leave as well. But the main thing you need to do once you've set all this up is click on the save button. Okay, otherwise your changes are not going to be saved. So I hope this video has helped you. Please do like, subscribe and share.